This is how you can connect a Bluetooth device to your Chromebook. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to turn on Bluetooth on your Chromebook device. You can do so by clicking on the bottom right corner clock and then enable Bluetooth. So this is the icon, and I'm pretty sure that 99.99% of Chromebooks do have Bluetooth. And once you do that, you can enable Bluetooth and make sure that it is on. And now I'm going to turn on my earphones. So I do have earphones that I want to connect to this Chromebook device. And by the way, make sure that you are turning on the Bluetooth device, and also it is in the pairing mode. So this is something that's very important. A lot of people just turn on the Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headphones, but they're not putting them into the pairing mode, which makes the Chromebook unable to find the device. It is very important, so you might want to visit the user manual, check the manufacturer tutorial on how you can use the device, and make sure that you are in the pairing mode. So I'm going to turn on my earphones, and now it should be okay. Now it is on. Now I'm just waiting until Chrome OS will notice the device. It's actually searching, but if you don't find anything, you can click pair new device, and it should open this window that will, Chromebook will do its best to find the devices that are available in the nearby area. Now I can see that my earphones is here. I can click on it. Now it's pairing, and just wait until it finishes. And maybe there's going to be some extra instructions depending on the device that you're using. Okay, it couldn't pair, so okay, I'm going to click cancel and I will try again. So this is actually a common theme when using a Bluetooth to connect a device. It's not always successful, so I'm going to try again, and if that doesn't successful, you can restart the device, turn off the Bluetooth device and turn it on again. And now the device is connected. So if I go to the clock menu, if I check the audio interface or the audio feature, you'll see that there are two outputs. There is a speaker, and there's also the earphones, which is the device that I just connected via Bluetooth, and also that is available as a microphone as well. I can use these earphones as a microphone to communicate or to talk with someone via Chromebook. So if you want stop using that, you can just disable, or you can click on this icon and then you can click on the device and you can click disconnect. And yeah, usually if you have a problem with the device, you might want to forget the device. So basically it's going to be paired again. And by the way, once you pair the device and the next time you turn on your earphones or your Bluetooth speaker, it's usually going to be paired automatically to your Chromebook device because it has been paired before. So for example, now I have this Bluetooth on. I also have my earphones turned off. Now I'm going to turn it on again, and it will instantly be detected by the Chromebook, and it should be paired instantly because pairing is the process that happens once. So there you go, you can see the device has been connected and there's no pairing needed because it's already been in the database of the Chromebook device. So that's how you can connect a Bluetooth device to your Chromebook. If you find this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.